How to delete game data on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how I can delete the game data on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete game data on iPhone, it is actually very simple to do so. Now some of the game application does actually allow you to delete those data within the game itself, but some games do not allow you to do it. And unlike Android devices where you can simply clear the cache files and data without deleting the app, it is not possible on iOS. So if I open the settings application here, and then if I just go to general, iPhone storage, here if I select a particular game, what happens over here is that I will not be able to delete only the data for that game. So let's say that this is a certain game over here. What you can only do is you can choose to delete the app and reinstall the app if you want to delete the data for that game, because offloading will not delete the data, it will only delete the app without deleting the data. So if you want to delete the data over here, you have to go to the delete app section, delete it, reinstall it to figure out. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically delete game data on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.